concept and very interesting, that is permutations. So, what is a permutation? As you can see, I have already written the statement on the board. What is permutation? A permutation is an arrangement of number of objects in some definite order taken some or all at a time. तो बेसिकली परमुटेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? अरेंजमेंट करना. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास कुछ चीजें हैं, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव n डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड वी वांट टू अरेंज इट इन सम ऑर्डर. For example, we arrange some students according to their height. We want to arrange some students according to their marks. So, for this, we need permutations. If you remember, you always get your sitting plan before the examination. Your sitting plan is made with the help of permutations only. So permutation क्या है? एक तरह का arrangement करना different objects का in a definite order, right? So what is the definition? A permutation is an arrangement of number of objects in some definite order taken some or all at a time. आप सभी जो चीजें हैं, जैसे n ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, आप n ऑब्जेक्ट्स की भी अरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं या उसमें से कुछ मेंबर्स लेके उनकी भी अरेंजमेंट्स कर सकते हैं. सो परमुटेशन बेसिकली मींस अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, राइट? सो फॉर ब्रिंग द मोर क्लैरिटी टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ वन क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? Question is, how many permutations can be made out of the letter of the word computer? So question is that you have been given with the word computer and you have been asked to find the number of possible words which we can make with the help of the letters of the word computer. So before starting with the solution, we must know the formula of permutation. As I told you, the permutation is arrangement of different objects taken some or all at a time. So beta, it is written as NPR. What is NPR read as? NPR is read as number arrangement of n different objects taken r at a time. यहाँ पे NPR का मतलब क्या है? Arrangement of n different objects. But how many we are taking? We are taking only r at a time. So what is the formula for NPR? NPR formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is the formula for finding the arrangement of n different objects taken r at a time. So NPR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. You know what is factorial? N factorial is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on up to 1, right? So let us begin with the solution now. Okay, we have the word computer. हमारे पास word है computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. How many total letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to find how many different words can be made by using these 8 letters. So means we want to arrange 8 letters in different ways. So very simple. We need to apply the formula of permutations only. Therefore, the total number of permutations is given by NPR. And what is n? N means the total number of letters we have. How many total numbers of letters we have? 8. 8P. And how many letters we need for the arrangements? All the 8 letters we need for the arrangement. So 8P, 8. Because they have said that out of the word computer, how many different words are possible. So we need to make use of all the 8 letters. So we are arranging 8 objects taking 8 at a time. So apply this formula. What is the formula? N factorial. What is n over here? 8. So it is 8 factorial divided by n minus r, that is n minus r. So that is 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 factorial. So this is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 is 0 factorial, right? Okay. So we need to just open the factorial now. Now, you know what is 0 factorial? 0 factorial is always equal to 1. I am writing 0 factorial is always equal to 1. So, 8, we are left with 8 factorial, right? And how to open 8 factorial? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And when you will multiply it, you will get the answer as 40320. So these are the total number of permutations which you will get by arranging the different letters of the word computer. Now move to the second part. What is second part? How many of these begin with C? See, we have find that there are total 40320 arrangements or number of words which can be formed using these 8 letters of the word computer. Now they have put the condition. They have put the condition that the letter must begin with C only, right? Now there are total 8 alphabets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this time we have the condition that we want only those words which will begin with the letter C only, right? So that means the first position is fixed by C. Means the first position can be arranged into 1 factorial ways, because we know the first letter of the word should be begin with C only. So first position is fixed, that is 1 factorial. Now we have left with these 7 spaces. These 7 spaces can be filled in 7 factorial ways. How 7 factorial? Like this. 7p7. So 7p7 is equal to it as 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 7 factorial. So it is 7 factorial divided by 0 factorial, which is 7 factorial. And we know how 7 factorial will be opened. It will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And when you will open, you will get the answer as 5040. So there are total 5040 words possible which begin with the letter C. Let us see the second part. So the second part is, the condition is the word should end with R. As in the first part we have the restriction at the beginning that it must be begin with C only. In the second part we have restricted at the end place, that is the end place should end at R. So that means these are the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this time we are fixed with R. So this position, last position, can be filled by 1 factorial ways. And these spaces, these 7 spaces can be filled again with the 7 factorial ways. How 7 factorial again? 7p7 and you will get 7 factorial. And you know how to open it? 7 factorial is equal to, as we have got the answer in the previous part also, 5040. So there are total 5040 words which can be made using 8 letters of the word computer, and that will end at the letter R. So now we see the last part of this question. The last part of this question is, how many of these begin with C and end with R? Now we have got the restriction at the two places, one at the beginning and other at the end. So these 8 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have the restriction at the beginning as well as at the ending also. The word should begin with C only, that is, the first place should be fixed, that is C, and it can be filled in 1 factorial ways. Now, and end with R also, so end place is also fixed, that is R, and it can also be arranged in 1 factorial ways. So, we are left with these 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, right? So 1 factorial into 6 factorial into 1 factorial. So answer is 6 factorial, which is equal to 720. So there are 720 words which will begin with C and end with R. So in this way, we can find a number of arrangements of different letters of different words. So now let us do one more example, which is based on a separate topic, that is circular permutation. Till now I have discussed only example of simple permutation, in which we have learned how to arrange different letters of the different words. Now I have done an example of circular permutation. So before doing the sum, we need one result, which I have already written on the board. What is the result? The number of circular permutations of n different objects is given by n minus 1 factorial. For example, if you want to arrange some n different objects in a circular position, then what is the formula? N minus 1 factorial, right? So let us begin with the question now. Question is, in how many ways can 5 gentlemen and 5 ladies can be seated round the table so that no two ladies are together? So as we read the statement, it is very clear in our mind that this is the question from the topic circular permutation. So we will using this result which I have already discussed with you. So what is the question? That they have given us 5 gentlemen and 5 ladies, right? And they are asking that we have to arrange 5 gentlemen and 5 ladies in a circular table in such a way that no two ladies can sit together, right? So let us explain with the help of an example by drawing a diagram. This is a circular table. I need a position like this that no two girls, no two ladies can sit together. So what I will do? First of all, I will fix the positions of the gentleman. For example, the gentleman 1 will sit here. I will leave one position. Then gentleman 2 can sit here. Gentleman 3 can sit here. Gentleman 4 can sit here, and gentleman 5 can sit here, right? So first of all, I need to write the number of ways in which these 5 gentlemen can be seated round the table. So let us start. The number of ways in which 5 gentlemen can be seated round the table is, okay, so as I told you that if you want to arrange n different objects in circular table, then what is the formula? N minus 1 factorial. So here we have 5 gentlemen and we need to arrange them in the round table. So what is the formula? 5 minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 4 factorial, and 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 which is 24 ways. Right? So now let us take the further portion of this sum. We have the condition that no two ladies can sit together. Right? So what I will do? I will give this position to lady number 1, this position to lady number 2, this position to lady number 3, this position to lady number 4, and this position to lady number 5. As you can clearly see from the diagram that the condition which they have asked us in the question is maintained. That is, no two ladies are sitting together in a round table. So these 5 spaces are open for them. So these 5 ladies can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Right? So 5 factorial is 120 ways. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि why not 5 minus 1 because these ladies are also sitting in a round table only. But the thing is these 5 positions are fixed for them. They just have to come and sit on their fixed positions. They are not like the gentlemen. The gentlemen came and they were not fixed about their positions. They came one by one and left one space for the left one space vacant, and then they have taken their seats. But these 5 places for the ladies are fixed because they cannot sit on any other place. They have to sit over here only, because if they sit by their choice they can sit together. So we have fixed their position. So that's why they have we have written these ladies can be arranged in 5 factorial. So we have seen that the gentlemen can be arranged in 24 ways. The ladies can be arranged in 120 ways. So how many total ways are there to arrange them both in this position? So what is the formula? That is, I can write over here. Therefore, the total number of ways is equal to 120 into 24, which is equal to 2880. So there are 2880 circular permutations in which both the gentlemen and the ladies can be seated round the table in such a way that no two ladies can sit together. So that's all for this topic. I have tried to clear this concept to you with the help of 2 different examples. One from the simple permutation and other from the circular permutation. I hope you like this video and this concept is clear to you, and if any step is not clear to you, you are free to drop your queries in the comment box and we will surely respond to your queries. Thank you so much. Keep loving, keep supporting our channel. Thank you so much.